Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay not working. So how can you fix that? First of all, go inside the settings and just search your settings. And once you're inside the settings, so you just need to go inside the apps and click on installed apps and just search your like GeForce, like just search your anything related to GeForce. If you have any of the drivers or any application, just uninstall it. Once done, after that, you just need to open a browser and go to the official website of Nvidia. Once you have reached the official website Nvidia, just click on drivers. And once you click on drivers, it will take you to the second page, which is all drivers, GeForce drivers or network drivers. So just click on GeForce drivers. And once you click here, just click on install now, download now, and that will start downloading. Just click on Nvidia app, download now, and that will basically start downloading. So you just need to download it and install it properly. Once installed, again, you will see the like Nvidia application like this. So just go inside the settings, and once you're inside the settings, so you will see Nvidia overlay an option like this one. So make sure that Nvidia overlay is enabled and game filters and photo mode is also enabled. And after that, you can just try this key Alt plus Z, or you can just click from here, and hopefully your overlay Nvidia experience will start working. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.